First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Then we are going to start a new video. Please watch the full video, like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Open the pixel app, select a photo, move the background color, select another photo, change the color, save the shape and photo. Duplicate the photo, select the color filter, change the color of shape, change the background color. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.